Mommy and Daddy ask you to clean your room? Clean your room, dear. Clean your room. You must clean your room. It's not easy to keep your room clean, but it is important. It's called being organized. And being organized helps us to do other things too, like sitting at our desk and doing our homework and making sure that we help around the house. Well, today we're going to talk about cleaning your room. And I'm going to show you a picture now of a very messy room. Oh boy, everything's all over the place. The desk has papers all over it. There's ice cream on the floor. There's glue on the floor. There's shoes all over the bedroom. There's a book open, and I even see a fork. Now this is messy. How are we going to clean it up? Well, maybe you can learn your song. Ready? It goes like this. My room's so messy, my mommy says please clean it up. My room's so messy, but I don't know where to start. There's so many things on the floor. There's even a fork. Oh, my room is messy. I don't know how to clean it up. Sing with me. My room is messy. I don't know how to clean it up. Good. My room is messy. I need some help. My room is messy. I don't know how to clean it up. I don't know where to start. It's just so messy. There's glue over here and a sneaker over there and a fork too. Oh my goodness, messy. I need to clean it up or I can't go out and play. But where do I start? I know. I take 10 deep breaths. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm ready to clean up my room. So I will open up my closet, and look. Yes, I'll look. I'll open up my closet and see where the things belong. I'll look. Well, first I'll take that fork and put it in the kitchen. And then I'll take that sneaker and put it on the floor of my closet. And then I'll take that glue that I need for school. And I'll go and put it in my backpack. I'm cleaning up my room. Yes, I am. I'm cleaning up my room. And I'll get to play very soon because I'm cleaning up my room. I'm cleaning up my room. And I'm feeling very proud. Let's look and see. Let's look and see. Let's look and see if it's still messy. Now this is what a clean room looks like. There's not a fork on the floor. That's silly. There's not shoes all over the place. They're in my closet where they belong. And there's not glue all over on my floor. I put it back in my backpack. I cleaned up my room. I cleaned up my room. And guess what? You can do it too. Yes, cleaning up our room makes us feel very proud. And you can do it too. Let's sing it together. Let's go clean up our rooms. I'm going to give myself a pat on the back for doing a great job cleaning up my room. Now go to it. You go clean up your room too. I can't wait to see how you do. Good job, guys. Helping around the house is a very important thing to do. Sometimes Mommy and Daddy work so hard, and when they get home, they're really tired. So when you say to Mommy and Daddy, "Can I help with anything?" it makes their heart feel so happy. Now, I know a way to help. Maybe you help set the table or put the dishes away with Mommy and Daddy. This little boy is putting the dishes away with his mommy. And this is the dishwasher, which looks like the little boy helped his mommy and daddy put all the things in the dishwasher. You always need a grown-up to do these things, but helping around the house, especially in the kitchen, is a very nice thing to do. Well, Mommy and Daddy get home from work and they're very tired. Yes, Mommy and Daddy get home from work and they're very tired. But I'm gonna do something special for them. I'm gonna surprise them. I'm gonna say, hey Mom, hey Dad, do you need help? Because helping around the house is very nice to do. Helping around the house is for me and you. Oh, Mom, can I help you set the table? Mom, can I help you set the table? Mom, can I help you set the table? I want to help you. Daddy, can I help you do the dishes? Daddy, can I help you do the dishes? Daddy, can I help you do the dishes? It's nice to help around the house. Sing with me. It's nice to help around the house. Sing it with me. It's nice to help around the house. I can help with the dishes. I can help with the dishes. It's nice to help around the house. Sing it with me one more time. It's nice to help around the house. You can help your mommy or your daddy, or maybe grandma and grandpa too. It's a very nice thing to do. All right, go get to it. Go help around the house. Don't forget, Mommy, do you need help? Daddy, do you need help? It's a very nice thing to do. Bye-bye. I hope you help around the house. Thank you for watching Jammin Jenn and Friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you all, boys and girls.